Welcome back to Fun Tech Reviews. Today we're going to be looking at something a little different. Other than a robot vacuum, it's going to be the Howl Byte Cam. This company reached out to me and asked me if I'd do a review on them. So let's get started. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry, it's been a while that I haven't posted. I've had quite a few ankle surgeries and have been out of commission for quite a while. So during that time, I got a couple new products in that I'll be putting out some videos on over the next couple weeks. The first one I got here is the Howl Byte indoor camera. The nice thing about the Howl security app and stuff like that is if it sends motion or anything like that, it'll actually send you a notification like most apps. But the other nice thing with Howl is if you tell Alexa that you want them to notify Howl, you can actually set a predefined list of contacts saying that there's an emergency or some type of situation. So let's go ahead and get this open here. And then I'll show you a little bit about the box here. Here's some of the features here. Have a micro SD slot, night vision up to 15 feet, two-way audio with my pickup and motion detection, and of course the Howl app itself. And then just some information on the side there. So let's get this opened here. Looks like there's another little piece of tape. Alright, here we go. Little protector there. So here's the camera itself. As you can see, it's pretty nice. Really small. Another packaging thing there. The instruction book, I'll show you that in a minute. A power plug and a long cable. And then it looks like we have an option to mount it, as well as some sticky backs there. So the camera itself, as you can see, camera lens, the IR light, Howl logo, and of course your speaker and microphone there. Excuse me, speaker here, or microphone's here, speaker on the back, your power plug, your reset button, and a micro SD slot. So that is the Howl camera. What we'll do now is we're going to get it powered up, and then I'll walk you through how to set up the app. Alright guys, so what we're going to do now is we're going to get the Howl Cam set up with the app here. So what we'll do is we'll go on to the App Store and we'll search for the Howl app. As you can see there, Howl. It's Howl Personal Community Alert System. We're going to install that. Right, so we got the Howl camera plugged into power, and I downloaded the app. It's, if you search on the Google Play Store or Apple Store, this is the Howl Personal and Community Alert System. So prior to opening this, I just wanted to go over the overview of the whole Howl system itself. So personal alerts, you can alert family, friends, and first responders. When a PAC member alerts you, you can get them local help no matter where you are in the country. So that's pretty neat. So how it works is you add family and friends or anybody you want to the PAC. And then you can send an emergency alert in the app or with your voice assistant. So you can say, hey Siri, alert PAC, or hey Alexa, alert my PAC. Your PAC members can call your local police from anywhere in the country, get directions to Cheryl, call Huntington Police. Obviously that is just an example, so it's just an example. They also have community alerts, discover what your community is saying. You can raise awareness about local issues and get community updates about news and all events on the map. You can customize groups and settings, post group content to the map, and gain exposure to tackle community issues, and also some reviews. And open the app here. So we'll hit get started, and I'll have to create an account real quick. It's going to be just a second to do that. Alright, so I created an account. All I had to do is enter in your name, email address, phone number, your first and last name, and then you verify your location. Alright, so here is the app itself. As you can see, it just kind of shows the United States. There's different individually markings. So there's like community, let's see what this is. There's a police report that was filed here about a month ago. So that's pretty neat. You can see all that. Groups, you have your pack obviously, and then you have my community. There's nothing in my community as of yet. Pack, you can invite members and be in packs. There's notifications, posts, and then the profile itself, and the profile is where you can edit all your information. So let's go up here and hit add. Oops, I'm sorry, not in that section. We're going to add a camera. And then so to add the camera, all you're going to need to do is scan the QR code. So we'll turn this camera around here. Oh, it looks like it found the camera without scanning it in here, so, or just kidding, it found it. So we'll enter in the network ID. Alright, so once we have the camera configured, what we're going to do next is we're going to go into our devices here, right up at the top. As you can see, it's the Byte camera there, so we'll click that. So there it is, the picture. And you can go into high definition here. You can speak, record, and take a snapshot. As you can see, the camera is very responsive to the movement I am doing to it, which is very nice. It's very clean and very sharp. So that's basically the Howl Byte Cam here. As you can see, here's your speaker, your power, your indicator light here, IR LED, the camera itself with a protective thing on it, which we'll remove later. Here's your quick start guide. Very easy to follow. I actually didn't really need to use the quick start guide, but if you need to use it, then by all means. So it just kind of tells you how to add everything in there. And more information here. So, you know, one thing about the camera is it's really small, really easy to put somewhere and hide it, especially if you're going to use this indoor camera. So let me know what you guys think about the Howl app itself. Download the app. You can set up your own pack even without a camera, and you can always add in a camera later if you'd like. I'll put in the link in the description to the cameras that they have available. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and thanks for watching. Also coming up within the next couple weeks here, I will have more robot vacuums to review. Like I said, I apologize for the delay in uploading some videos. Been very crazy the last couple months and last couple weeks here, but nevertheless, we'll be continuing on our tradition of robot vacuums. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Yeah.